Hi, my name is Colby Nicio, and this is my broadcast for Miss Debbie's class ELRC 3500. We did many activities this semester. One was the name tent. Let's check that out. We had to make a name tag with a picture of ourselves and our name, and you fold it in half. Let's see. The next was goals and objectives. As you can see right here. We did a poplet. With some pictures of my friends and us, my major, my plans after college. Another picture of my brother. Some hobbies that we do. We did an inspirational map. I did mine on the Florida Keys. And we also did a travel brochure. On the Florida Keys that I picked. Another cool thing that we did was the Google sites and the Google slideshows. Click on the little drop down right here. Your biography and poplet that I just showed y'all.